Hello and welcome everyone. So again, this is the time to improve our skills, and today we are going to learn tip number 4 in Learn Useful Excel Tips series, and we are going to learn about capital letters and small letters. As I told you, Excel has a lot of magic, and let's see what magical power we are going to see today. So without wasting so much time, let's start doing what we are doing. And today we are going to use two different functions, that is lower and proper. Now if you see, so when we maintain a database of names of people or maybe addresses, so then we may come across these situations wherein we have all the information in capital letters. Now we need to change it to lowercase maybe, and there is a very easy way that Excel gives us to do that. That is using the function called lower. So whenever we have to do it, we need to just put an is equal to and then lower, then bracket open, and then we select the text that we change. So and then once we select that cell or text, we close the parenthesis, hit enter, and it returns the entire information in lower cases. Now there is another situation. If we have names and the entire name is written in capital letters, and we may have to change it to a better format, to a format where the first letter is in capital and the rest letters are in small letters. So what we'll do is we'll use the function called proper, and then as usual we will select the cell where this information is that we want to convert, or the text that we want to convert. So we can select that, close the parenthesis, hit enter, and it returns with this information. You see, A is in capital, then B, C are in small letters, and the same with the D, E, F. So D is in capital, E, F is in small. Now let's do this with names. Now we have this name Ram Singh written here. Now this entire name is written in capital letters. We need to change it. So what we need to do is we need to use the proper function once again. Open the parenthesis, select the cell where this information is, hit enter, and it gives you the name. So the first letter of both the names are in uppercase and rest are in lower cases. Now again, this name Ram Singh is written in small letters, and what we need to do is we have to go back and we have to change it to in a proper format. So again, we'll use proper, parenthesis open, select the text, select the cell, hit enter, and it returns this information that we need. So these functions can be useful for people who maintain a large number of database, maybe people who are in HR or people who are in operations also, if they have to maintain a team list, or people who are in the workforce management. So this was it for today. This was the tip number 4. Please do like the channel and subscribe the channel. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel so that I can come up with more useful Excel tips for you all. So this is Corpcoach again. I'm signing off. Please do keep watching, keep liking and subscribing the channel.